Mic check, mic check.
Say your P's and Q's.
P's and Q's. What? Good morning. How's your self-isolation? Good morning. Today we're gonna make for you grilled cheese sandwiches. Today for breakfast I'm gonna make for you barbecue. Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna make for breakfast for my backseat bowler barbecue jackfruit vegan grilled cheese sandwiches. It's very easy. You just need to have a jackfruit vegan cheese, which we made in previous video. You can check this out. For barbecue sauce, I mix barbecue sauce with sriracha. You need bread, paprika, some garlic, vegan cheese, and blanched spinach. So we're gonna pull this jackfruit apart like shredded meat. Now when we shredded jackfruit, we need a frying pan for that. And I'm gonna put on the high to medium and wait until oil get hot. Now when oil nice and hot, we're just gonna put our jackfruit here. Add our barbecue sauce, paprika, garlic, and quarter cup of water. Tune it to medium low. We're gonna cook for 15 minutes until the liquid evaporated. Make sure to continue stirring. We have a few more minutes left. Okay, now when jackfruit ready and prepared, we're gonna assemble our sandwiches. So we're gonna put a little bit vegan butter on the back of the sandwich. You can put olive oil, but I prefer the vegan butter. We're gonna put our homemade vegan cheese, and you can see the recipe in our previous video. I put a link on that. A little bit of shredded vegan cheese, our pulled pork kind of, and spinach, and we're gonna fry this in a frying pan. Okay, and here make sure you press down. It's gonna be on really high heat in less than a minute, just to get this nice and brown color. And you flip it and see it's coming out nicely. Somebody gonna have a king breakfast. It's ready and we cut into it. Oh, look at that. Okay, I think it's coming out nicely, so I gonna surprise my backseat bowler with a breakfast, and I'm gonna add his favorite Mad Dog hot sauce. You just need a little bit. It's very hot. Oops, maybe it's too much. And put your thoughts below the video if you try this recipe, and let me know what you think. Enjoy and see you next time.